For what? Hello, for where? For what?
Stand by, I'm secure.
What do I have a warrant for? Tell me what I have a warrant for, sir.
We're gonna tell you.
I didn't do
You want to keep
nothing.
giving all these fake names?
No, my name is Georgia. What do I have a warrant for?
Man, you don't even look like a Georgia at all. I'm not gonna lie, you look like a Della Reese to me with that hair, motherfucking jewelry. I've ever seen. Man, when I think of Georgia, I think motherfucking Georgia feature. Boop, 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 pow, pung, pow. Deploy, sir! Hurry up! She a runner! A sprinter track star! Yay! Jesus! Yay! Run it back!
Did you see like license or anything?
Oh!
Don Julio?
Don Julio make you like a folio!
Don Julio make you like a folio.
Hello, hey, you talking about you? Lady, hey, we on the same type of timery. Yo, what's poppin', GE? Gang, we are back with another banger reaction video. Shout out to my people. Hope you guys are having a great day. Meepre's on 10. Okay, we don't need no negative 10. We don't need nothing negative. Matter of fact, okay? I need you guys to be 5 and above, okay? Hopefully where you're at, the weather is great too, because the weather here was great. I'm not even gonna lie to you guys, okay? We're gonna keep this thing going, man. I'm not gonna hold you guys up. We're gonna get into a video I got sent of a squatter tweaks out at officers after getting evicted. Of course they're gonna tweak out. It's not their house, so they're gonna act like it is though. For sure, that's one thing they're gonna do. Make sure you head over to glavibe.com. Go ahead and pick you up a 90s R&B Raise Me t-shirt and just a bunch of other t-shirts. And we finally got robes on there. Go get you a Food Family robery, okay? Also, make sure if you're not following me on Twitch, go ahead and follow me on Twitch. And all the links will be in the first pinned comment. Just go ahead and check them out, okay? We're going to go ahead and get in this video. Before we get into this video, we got to check on our people every video. We don't skip a beat, okay? And I hope you got that vibe of the day today, okay? Because it's very instrumental and help you get through your day, okay? With that being said, get down in the comment section, man. 1 through 10. Let me know how you're doing mentally, emotionally, energetically, physically, psychologically, and most importantly, spiritually, okay? Let's go ahead and tap to the video, have a little fun with something, and see who's squatting. Papa squat.
Nobody in my house.
What part of your back? Can you show me what's in your hand?
No, I'm at home, so
Okay.
I ain't getting nothing illegal.
Nobody's saying that.
Come on.
Show me your hand.
Man,
Show me your hand.
What's in your hand?
My torch and my bottle.
Your
Sir.
bottle?
Yes, sir.
Who lives here?
I do.
Okay, who do you rent from?
With that being said,
Huh?
what?
yes, what is the reason for all this?
So somebody's calling in saying that people who don't live here are staying here.
Well, that's not true.
Okay, do you have anything to prove that you do live here?
Well,
Ma'am, the lights ain't on. You don't live there. You're
my
squatting.
stuff in storage. This is my last 3 days here. I'm moving out of here, actually.
Mm-hmm.
So, honestly, you can tell, I'm in the process of moving out of here.
I'm sure.
That's what I'm doing. I'm packing up my stuff.
You know what?
What's
I'm
your
moving
name,
out.
ma'am?
I can't take this shit.
That's. Why do you need my name?
Because you're possibly in somebody's house without permission.
Well, with that being said, I'm moving my things.
Okay, so what's your name?
My name is Georgia.
How do you spell it?
Don't worry, I'm getting out of their house.
Georgia?
Oh, now it's their house. Now I'm
Georgia,
getting out of
whose
their
house
house.
is this? Okay, do you have permission to be here?
Yes, sir.
Because we're gonna figure it out.
Okay, well, figure it out.
So let's be real.
I'm being honest with you.
Come back out here.
Yes, when I get my stuff and I'm gonna leave the house.
Just step out here, Georgia.
What'd you ask one to?
I said I'm gonna get my things and I was leaving anyway.
Go ahead.
They scared as hell to go in that house.
Shit, I'm leaving anyway. That part.
They're showing us on site. It was an out of
Oh, Georgia, she on that PCP type.
I'm leaving anyway. I'm gonna get my things.
Talking to herself.
After this and that, I'm gonna go anyway. That part. Okay. Got my glasses.
Temporal.
What's your name, ma'am? What's your name, ma'am?
I just told you my name.
Say it again.
Georgia.
Georgia what? Georgia, what's your birthday?
It's over. Don't worry about it. I'm leaving now.
Yeah, we're
Georgia.
past that. We're past that.
Okay, so why do you keep asking me?
Because we need to know your name and your date of birth.
What's your birthday, Georgia?
My birthday. That's my birthday. And I'm leaving the house. I got everything.
What's your middle initial?
My middle initial is that part. Excuse me.
That part. Crack it.
Not
Crack.
that.
Nope, you don't need to
Crackety
lock
crack.
it.
What? Excuse me
Okay,
then.
step out.
Yes,
Just hang
sir.
out right here. Georgia, where are you going? You're not free.
I was leaving.
You're not free to leave yet.
Why not?
Did I tell you that?
No, you can't tell me nothing.
Georgia, take a seat right there.
I'm not taking a seat nowhere.
Okay, you're
So
about to
put
just
your
go in
hands-
f***ing handcuffs.
I'm not doing anything.
Take a seat.
I can't even got my
Take
shit.
a seat.
I'm going to sit right here.
Okay, sit.
The hell?
Damn.
Go to the house. Ain't nothing in there. I went in there to get my liquor.
9, 21, 2, 27, 29.
Sir, you're scared to go in there, right? It's two of y'all. Call for backup then.
Last name Thomas going, first name Georgia, middle initial. Yeah, boy.
Yes, sir. I don't want the first.
There it is. There go backup. That was quick.
How'd you get inside? What's up? In the key.
Oh, somebody in there? Oh, shit.
No.
858-228.
Hey, I have a whole piece of the house. That part.
She likes saying that. That part.
On a GMC van.
See, watch. I'm not trespassing. I have a whole piece of the house.
Georgia,
Yes.
what have you been up to?
Oh,
Being
nothing.
evaded, clear valid on a red
Yeah,
02
say I'm-
GMC van from Teddy
Who
Kayla,
you in here with?
401 North Milton.
10-4, thank you.
Who's in here?
Yeah, start.
Who's in here?
What's up, man?
Just sleeping?
Just sleeping?
Homeless.
Okay, I got you. You got an ID on you, brother?
Yeah.
What is the whole? All right.
They got a dog. Why do you always got a dog?
I see that, buddy. Thank you, sir. Whose house is this here, brother?
I don't even know.
You don't know. Okay.
So don't know the rest of it. I'm telling the truth. I don't know.
No, I appreciate that.
Clear, no record.
I know that
Locals at 63 years
she been
old.
staying here. She been here. For,
She been sitting here.
Yeah, she been staying here.
Okay. Okay.
It's that dog telling it like it
For a
is.
while now. Okay.
That's all about that. Because I know who name it is.
Just hang tight for me for a minute, brother, and we'll get you out of here, okay?
Since the man in the car hasn't done anything wrong, after quickly IDing him, he'll be on his way. The real problem here is Georgia, because to this point, officers still can't verify her identity. There is no record of her in the system, which indicates that she has been lying about her name all along.
Thank you. That part.
I went. Listen, Georgia William came out. My name, you know my name.
I know.
But I have my Friday eviction notice in my hand, and I have the keys to the house. I don't have a reason to lie. I'm not trespassing. You just think that. I'm not trespassing at all. Like,
Ma'am, you just said you're going to get out the people's house after you said it was your house. And you're renting for somebody with all the lights off. Yeah, you just renting in with the lights off. You paying the whole rent, but can't pay the light bill. Cut it out. Stop it, okay? Cut it out. Listen, I can change life, man. Listen. Come over here. I've seen plenty of you down in LA, okay? All I gotta do is put some finger waves in you. I put you on, get you some money. You know what I'm saying? You really be looking like a Georgia peach. Right now, you looking like you doing that cracketh PCP with the licorice, okay? You look strung out. And using the house to go get your liquor on, do a little fucking, make a little money on the side, and then fall asleep on the hard floor. That's what you're doing, okay? Georgia. Get your life together, baby. This ain't how it's supposed to go.
all my belongings.
920.
That part.
Go ahead.
Why you telling- Look at, oh yeah, she.
That part.
All right, we're just gonna go handcuffs here in a second. What's your real name? What's your real name?
My name is Georgia.
What's your last name? Have you ever had an Illinois license?
No, sir.
Okay, can you try to have him try that in
Yes.
Mississippi?
Oh, he know my name.
858.
So aggressive.
Sir, I've been up for 4 days. My mind's up. My mama
10-4, thank you.
I apologize for that. Okay. My mama just passed.
What is your first name?
My name is Georgia. No, please don't. No. Please don't. I apologize. Hey,
Come here.
So,
What the hell?
don't do this. Please, I apologize. You know my name. For what?
Lincoln 9.
Hold on, for where? For what?
Stand by, I'm secure.
What do I have a warrant for? Tell me what I have a warrant for, sir.
We're gonna tell you.
I didn't do
You want to keep
nothing.
giving all these fake names?
No, my name is Georgia. What do I have a warrant for?
Man, you don't even look like a Georgia at all. I'm not gonna lie, you look like a Della Reese to me with that hair, motherfucking jewelry. I've ever seen. Man, when I think of Georgia, I think of motherfucking Georgia feature. Boop, 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 pow, pum, pow. That's what I think about. I think of a Georgia. A woman named Georgia. Yeah, she literally looks like a Georgia. You look like a Della Reese. Yeah, I'm talking about. Only thing you missing was Red Fox. Della Reese. You don't look like no damn Georgia. Cut it out. And the damn liquor and weedery and PCP and cracking make you look even worse, okay? Della Reese. Talking about Georgia Marie. What? Never in your life. Never.
What do I have a warrant for?
920. I believe the day of birth.
Tell me what I have a warrant for.
We're gonna tell you here in 2 seconds.
Please do. Lord, I ain't did nothing.
You've been up for 4 days. You can't even think right.
Okay, can I just sit on the steps for a second?
No, you can walk down to the car.
Oh,
now
stop
you
yelling
wanna
at
sit
me,
down.
sir.
Now you want
play
to sit
this
down.
Game.
Do anything.
Oh, he hot.
What is,
You know, the officer started cussing.
what
This
is,
motherfucker
what is
mad.
it? What is my warrant for? Huh?
Sangamon County,
Where?
larceny.
Larceny.
I didn't
Stealing.
set nothing on fire.
Larceny. Theft.
I ain't never
Stealing.
said
On your
The
purse,
liquor.
We're gonna check it, so let's be real.
Okay, I didn't. Hold on. You can take it. I got.
What do you got?
No, I'm trying to tell you. Take it.
Okay, what?
Okay, hold on.
What
I
is
got.
it?
Wait, you gonna choke me? I have a pipe in my purse.
Oh, yeah. Hey,
What
PCP
else?
Piper.
I got a pipe. I'm telling you, I got a pipe in my purse.
Okay.
Yeah.
Relax.
We know already.
What larceny? I ain't know what
You stole
larceny.
something. Shoplifting.
Stealing.
I-
Probably from Dollar General.
Man, I ain't been a Dollar General down there 6 months.
Yeah, well, last time you were there, you stole.
I ain't steal nothing.
Remember you and
Hey,
Who?
Georgia.
Nigga, Rock?
Georgia.
listen to him. Listen.
Georgia,
Hold
look
on.
at me.
Yes, sir.
I'm gonna take this handcuff off
I'm
you,
not
and we're gonna
gonna do nothing
hey,
stupid.
hey, and we're gonna take this bag off, okay?
Yes, sir.
And then you're gonna put your hand behind your back.
Yes,
And you're
sir.
gonna go back into a handcuff, okay?
Yes, sir. What am I going to jail for, man?
Just the warrant.
What did I do? Hold on. Wait.
Okay, you can take it off.
Hold on. No, I got my charger around my neck. Okay.
Yeah.
Would you at least get Pete in my phone?
Yeah, we got you.
Thank you. Here, hold on. Here. I'm not running. Here you go.
Back behind your back. Back behind your back. Back behind your back.
Baby got the
Back
hair
behind
under
your
the
back.
arm.
Key is in my
Yikes.
purse.
Back behind your back.
You know that shit needs to be washery.
Jail for
Up for
man.
4 days?
Ow. That hurt.
Georgia.
Baby, that hurt my...
Baby, that hurt me.
Why you gotta be
Baby, please.
Georgia, I ain't seen
Yeah.
you in a minute.
Stop
boy, I
twisting
ain't
your
did
hands. It's gonna
nothing.
hurt, okay?
I ain't did a
Be
thing,
cool. Hey,
man.
be cool with him, alright? You know you got a warrant. That ain't
I didn't know that.
Alright.
I ain't never known that.
But now you
the
know.
police has stopped. The police ain't been over. The sheriff's ain't been over
Now you
here.
know.
Where's your car at? Just you.
This is crazy. Yes.
Georgia, listen to me. Do you have anything on you?
There's nothing on me.
Because you know if you go there, it's just gonna be another
There's
charge.
nothing on me.
Okay. Is right.
In the end, Georgia was arrested for her outstanding warrant. As for the homeowner, he was contacted and made aware of the situation, and later had to clean out the house from all the trash that had accumulated in it.
She had that steel can, you know what I'm saying? She had the crack pipe, PCP, the liquor, all type of shit. She been up for 4 days. You know they be on the binges when they be up for 4 days, okay? She can't think straight. She out of her mind. But trust me, you're about to go somewhere where you about to come off a come down if they keep you there for a couple of days. That's really what's going to get you. It's really going to get on your nerves, going to piss you off, and you're going to start foaming at the mouth, okay? But you shouldn't be squatting in people's houses, okay? You know what I'm saying? You didn't buy the property in this private property, okay? You can't have people pull up and use it as a hotel, sleep in their vans, and you can't be inside just tearing their shit up, shitting on the floors, all type of shit. Filling up the toilet water. The toilet's only probably even flush. I don't even want to talk about it. So the visuals is fucking me up mentally. Okay. Squatters don't have rights. Get the out of people's house, okay? You can't just go be homeless and then go. You homeless for a reason, right? You got kicked out of your shit. You lost your shit. You lost your job. Whatever happened in life, shit happens. Don't mean you can go take somebody else's hard work and then go take over their house. What? Only in motherfucking America. Say it again. Only in a motherfucking America. Say it one more time. Only in a motherfucking America. Tell down in the comment section, man. Let me know what you think about it. You think her name was really Georgia? Motherfucking name was Della Reese, okay? Yeah, that's the motherfucking name of Della Reese. Yeah, but the Red Fox, fucking Georgia. Man, listen, I'm telling you, you guys can't tell me we don't think of a woman that's named Georgia. She come with all the peaches, okay? She come with all the peaches. You know what I'm saying? Della Reese's, sometimes they got that, most of the time they got that haircut like that. Okay, got the little afro wreath. Ain't nothing wrong with it. But you got to pick that shit up, baby, even it out and put some natural curl in there. That's what my grandmama did. The brown bottle. Squirt that motherfucker sheen on that motherfucker. Juice it up a little bit. Make it shine. Make your soul glow. Your soul should have been glowing. It was going for a whole nother reason. Crack. PCP glow. You had it on you. Yikes. Tap down in the comment section. Let's talk about it. Georgia? Oh, Georgia? Yeah, you that old. Talking about Georgia. Georgia. Motherfucker born in 1962. I know. I love my people, man. Shout out to all my women. 90% of y'all, man. Shout out to my 10% of my guys. We try to hold it down, but we are overpowered and overruled. It's a woman's world. Say it again. It's a woman's world on this channel, at least. Matter of fact, on the other channel too, it's like 90% women. Fellas, tap in. What we doing? I mean, damn, they holding us down. They got their cockery on us. I'm gonna catch you on the next video. I'm gonna go too type crazy. I love my women. You guys already fucking know it, okay? Shout out to my women that won the 2 giveaways today for the lunchery. I hope you had a good mealery. Facts. Oh, sorry for the interruption. But I have to let you guys know we got some new fire merch on the website. You know what I'm saying? We have to let you know the brand new shirt. I just need enough money not to worry about money. I think we all want enough money not to worry about money. You know what I'm saying? That's a real life deal situation there, okay? We got plenty of shirts, plenty of colors. Like a lot of these shirts have 13 colors. What else we got? Eerie. You know what I'm saying? I put that shit on everything. You know what I'm saying? It's really discretionary how we really have the talkery. You know what I'm saying? I put that shit on everything, like literally. Okay? What else we got? Oh, you know, for the women. I'm pretty. I'm powerful. I'm unstoppable. Yes, you are. For sure. Don't let nobody tell you that you're not ever in life, okay? And don't worry about how big it is. Just know it's heavy, okay? Just know it's heavy. Yeah, straight like that. Then we got positive vibes, keep positive drives, okay? We got plenty of merch over here for my people to stay straight for the summertime. We got the hoodies for the wintertime. But for the summertime coming up, look at all these shirts. Plenty of them. Good vibes. Fooshin' it. Get on my face, make goof. We got plenty of shirts. Listen, how we gonna play the ring? We gonna play the ring with some dick. Go grab a shirt. Back to the video.